This video is brought to you by AutoERASERS, though the opinions are my own. I love this brand. They have shoe erasers. So if this is as good as the shoe eraser, we are golden. So as soon as you open it, it is already wet. So each sponge is individually sealed, already moistened, and these are going to fit perfectly in your glove box or center console. Right, looking at this, it is premium and it is durable. One side for textured, for tough marks, and the other soft chamois side for gentle wiping. That's textured, that is gentle. So these are going to be perfect for wiping away dust, fingerprints, or scuffs between your car washes. And I like that they're dual-sided. We got the grime, and then we got the buff to a shine. And they're going to be reusable. I'm so shocked. This is reusable. A little bit of water, just a couple drops, is going to bring them back to life if they dry. How it works, and I'm going to show you how it works. You grab one, you swipe over the affected area, and you watch the grime vanish. This is safe on paint, plastic, glass, tinted windows, and wheels. Where it's going to be useful for: quick detailing between the car washes, removing exterior scuffs, cleaning mirrors, door panels, headlights, motorcycles, bikes, boats. I'm actually going to use it on a wave runner for a demonstration. Can you use it on leather? Yes. Can you use it on tinted windows? Yes. This is non-abrasive. Non-abrasive. Can you use it to remove bugs or bug sap? Yes. Is it reusable? Yes. Does it smell? It smells very mildly, kind of like rubbing alcohol, but it fades quickly. So let's give it a shot. Okay, let's give this a shot. This is the leather seat. I'm just going to buff it. Wipe it down. Looks good. No damage, no residue. Now let's try this part. You can see it's kind of dirty. Wipe it down. Quick clean. Kind of dirt on there. Nice. Looks good. Looks clean. Wipe the seat down. Again, buff the seat. Definitely will use these. Can't wait to try it in my car. So what do I think? What's the verdict? The AutoERASERS Instant Detailing Sponges are my new go-to for fast, spotless results. These clean better than a traditional wipe. They take up less space, and they actually save a full car wash. When you just need a touch-up, just use this rather than having to drive to the car wash to get a touch-up. These are convenient, they are effective, and they're a solid buy for any car, boat, wave runner, motorcycle owner.